Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change system sounds theme in Samsung Galaxy A55. So to change the whole theme of our soundboard, of our system, we need to go to settings, then in where it is in sounds and vibration menu, we have system sound. When we go in here, we have Galaxy selected by default. Of course, we can lower volume of our system sounds too if we need to. And here we have a few options available. Whatever we need from here, and we can simply go back to our menu, and now we have changed our theme. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.